What's up, everybody? Welcome into Brian's Badass Reviews. Man, I haven't said that in a long time. Feels good. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Samsung Fold Z3 5G phone. The cell phone I was previously using to this is about, I don't know, 3-4 generations back. I had the Samsung 10 Plus, and I just felt like it was time for me to upgrade. Now, I don't usually go spend a huge dollar and get the fancy new tech and the stuff that's out there, but you know what? It's been a long 2 years with everything that's kind of going on in society and been working hard. Things are going good. Why not treat yourself, right? So let's kick the intro and then we'll get right into this unboxing. I haven't got to say this for a while. Let's do it. Kick the intro! So I've had this thing for less than 24 hours. Literally, FedEx dropped it off at my door just yesterday. So I haven't had a whole lot of time to really dig into it, look at all the fancy features and all that stuff. But as always, anytime you get a new phone, you're excited for it, right? So I figured it'd be good to just throw together a video to show you guys, if you're getting this phone, what you're gonna get inside the box. So without further ado, here's the unboxing of the Samsung Fold Z3 5G. It's always exciting when that FedEx box shows up. You wanna throw it on the bed, you wanna get it ripped right open, right? So opening up the box here, I got a little bit of the literature, the how to get started, how to activate, the receipt and everything, and there it is, all in its glory. I'm used to the phones coming in kind of more of a rectangular type of a box. This looks like there's a little book inside of it. So pretty sleek design. It's got the big Z on it. There it is. Now I got actually in my truck because I had a bunch of chores and there it is in its full glory, right? There's the phone. Right here you got your SIM card tool and your charger. This also helps you transfer your data from your new phone to your old phone. Got your quick start guide right here. And there's the back of it. You can see where the crease is there where it folds. Now this film, they got this protective film over the whole phone. And it's a little bit tricky kind of getting it off, but it really just peels off. I guess it's really not that tricky, but you gotta go all the way around the world on the phone and get this film off of it. And then there you go. You can see it's super reflective. I will say that the fingerprints show up pretty easily, pretty quickly on here. And there she is. Look at it fold right up. It's got the Samsung inscribed on the spine there. There's your 3 cameras. Open it back up. You can kind of see the size, right? That's a little bit slimmer than your normal kind of standard cell phone. But we'll get into that on another review. There's your Dolby speakers right there. You can see the Samsung again, your cameras again. There's a nice look at it. There's where the your C-class charger hooks up. There's your fingerprint scanner, your on-off button, your volume button, and the SIM card slot right there. So there you have it. Not too much in the box, really. You basically just get the phone itself, which kind of throws you for a loop because it's not like a phone I've ever seen before. I mean, I know they have the Fold 2 and all that stuff, but you know, I'm jumping up a few levels here. You get the phone in the box, you get your quick start guide, and you get the cable that can go with the charger. As you notice, they did not include an actual charger. I think a lot of these companies are starting to do that, but there you have it. And like I said, I've only had less than 24 hours to really monkey around with this thing. But just to give you kind of first impressions without firing it up and doing the full review, I'm gonna do another review after a few days. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, now's a great time to. So I'm gonna drop a layman's, your average Joe review and kind of my thoughts, my feelings about it, how it compares to my ancient 10 Plus that I had. But my initial impressions, it takes a minute. It's got a little bit of heft to it. There's a little bit of weight, but it is super cool when you open it up and it folds out into that tablet. Activation on it wasn't too hard with the provider that I went through. I just logged in, activated it. The SIM card is already built into it. I didn't have to switch anything around because I was staying with the same provider. You might have to switch SIM cards or do something different when you get yours. Transferred all of my data from my old phone to the new Fold. That actually, because I was busy and doing chores, I actually did it kind of while I was running around. So it took about an hour because I did it cable. I didn't do it over Wi-Fi. Really not a tough process at all. And within a few hours, I had it kind of configured at least back to close to what my other phone was. And now I'm starting to be able to kind of dig into the features. So I'm gonna drop another review in a few days, so if you want to, you don't have to. Just check back, or if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'd be completely humbled. Cringy subscribe requests, right? I'll give you kind of my full layman's view of somebody that's not super techie and doesn't know all the actual specs, but just like how it's worked for me and the things that I've been able to use it for, and then just my overall opinion. And then I'm gonna drop another review on something that I have a very strong opinion on, and it's the Samsung case. This is the official Samsung case that comes with the phone. Stay tuned, subscribe. I'm gonna do a review on this. I have some very strong opinions on this case, but I will give a sneak peek and tell you that this case comes with the stylus. But should you buy it, you'll have to stay tuned and get my opinion on that. So that's all I really got for this review today, guys. It's good to be back. I have more content coming. Good to be back. Hope you enjoy the video. If you're getting this phone, I hope you're excited for it. I hope this kind of helped ramp up that excitement. But that's all I got for this review today, guys. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.